Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to read this lovely book for you. It's called Kindness is My Superpower and it's by Alicia Ortego, and it's a children's book about empathy, kindness and compassion. Hi, I'm Lucas, just an ordinary boy, and this is Teddy, my favorite toy. I like to eat sweets, jellies and cakes, but unfortunately sometimes I make mistakes. And we talked about that before, didn't we? Everybody makes mistakes. Even me and the adults around you, they all may make mistakes sometimes. You see, yesterday I was in a very bad mood. So sadly, I did something extremely rude. I teased my friend Lisa for wearing glasses. It made her cry for the rest of her classes. Oh, that was really not a nice thing to do. When I got home, I was greeted by Mum. I was sad to see her face looking glum. Honey, you made your friend Lisa cry. Hurting people's feelings is wrong. Don't you know why? You should always be kind, my dear mother said. I knew I'd done wrong, so I bowed my head. What does it mean to be kind? I implored. My mom hugged me tightly. When she did, my heart soared. Kindness is shown when you say a gentle word. Be kind to your sister and even a bird. You can be kind to someone who makes you mad. You can be kind to someone who's feeling sad. Be kind and respect those who are older than you. Show respect and kindness to younger ones too. Kindness is shown in helping someone in need, and kindness is shown when you do a good deed. I pondered her words and I couldn't sleep all night. I wanted to be kind and genuinely polite. So right then and there, without any warning, I decided to become very kind in the morning. And in the morning, the first thing I did do, when Mom made me breakfast, I told her, thank you. That's something simple that we can all do. I changed out of my pajamas, warm, soft and red. I put away my toys and I made my own bed. Wow, that was good. On the bus, I behaved the best as could be. I even asked the new boy to sit next to me. At school, I helped him find his classroom too. I knew it was the very least I could do. So he saw someone who looked like they didn't know anybody, so he decided that he'd help him out. I said good morning to all of my friends, and I even shared my brand new crayons and pens. So that's something you can do. Just saying hello to other people is a kind thing to do. Then I saw Lisa. Her eyes still looked sad. I approached her slowly, still feeling bad. I'm sorry I teased you, I said with bent head. Lisa gave me a smile. It's okay, she said. So, as I said, we all make mistakes, which is okay as long as we say sorry and we learn from them and we try really hard not to do it again. I realized that kindness is really super cool. So, I was also kind when I got out of school. Outside, I waited my turn on the slide, and you know what? I felt good and happy inside. I was patient and kind, not angry at all, and I even found joy helping a boy find his ball. So, actually, it can make you feel quite good helping somebody. I picked up the rubbish, even though it wasn't mine. Kindness and doing good deeds made my heart shine. I loved going shopping with my mum to buy food. Holding open doors put me in such a good mood. And after we brought my favorite toy and a treat, Mom and I helped an old lady cross the street. I continued to be kind with joy and with glee, watching Dad fall asleep in front of the TV. He was sleeping on the sofa instead of his bed, So I covered him with a blanket and kissed his forehead. I helped my little sister tie her shoelace. I was glad to see the big smile on her face. Being kind is amazing for everyone's sake, like giving your neighbour a yummy piece of cake. I like to help mine water his flowers, and it really seems kindness has magical powers. I no longer do mean things like before. I don't tease others, and I don't slam the door. I stopped being selfish, and I share all my toys. I don't shout out loud or make too much noise. Kindness is something anyone can learn. Give to others and ask nothing in return. Helping others is simply the best thing to do. When you're kind, kindness comes back to you. So that's a nice story, all about things you can do to be kind. And even though we're at home at the moment and we're not allowed to go very many places, there are still lots of things you can do at home. You can be kind to people at home. You can be kind to your grown-ups at home by helping out, by saying, oh, thank you for dinner, by saying hello, by not complaining about things, and by maybe eating your lunch or your dinner and saying thank you, by maybe carrying your plate over to the sink or the dishwasher. All of those things are really kind. Or maybe getting dressed yourself in the morning is a kind thing to do. It helps grown-ups out. Or maybe you have a pet that you can be kind to, or you might have brothers or sisters you can be kind to, or you might have cousins that you can be kind to. Maybe you can send them a letter or a card, or you could phone. Maybe you might have a grandparent or an auntie or an uncle who you could phone. That's a really kind thing to do at the moment. So there's lots and lots of ways for you to be kind. And I know that all of you are really kind boys and girls. So try your best, and I hope you enjoyed the story and got some ideas. Bye.